Your business runs on efficiency. Every document scanned, every workflow streamlined. But what happens when your scanner needs service? Without a RICOH maintenance contract, downtime isn't just frustrating, it's expensive. Emergency repairs, they start at $1,000 before parts and labor. And what about lost productivity? Days or even weeks of work grind to a halt. Now, imagine a different scenario. With a RICOH maintenance contract, you're covered. Our certified field engineers keep your scanners running at peak performance with proactive cleanings and preventative maintenance. No surprises. No hidden charges. Just reliable, high-volume scanning when you need it most. And here's the best part. Our priority service guarantees fast response times, so you'll never be left waiting. Don't risk your workflow. Upgrade to a RICOH maintenance contract today and keep your scanners and your business running smoothly. Because when your scanner works, your business works.